Hi guys, we are test driving Mercedes E-Class 207 chassis 220 CDI twin turbo, which came in with a DPF problem and the low boost, turbo low boost pressure problems. Now the problems has been solved. Can you please tell us how was it and how it is now?
Yeah, before I come to Errol, the car was absolutely dreadful. The acceleration didn't happen. It was just doing absolutely nothing at all. There was no power, no acceleration, no nothing. I've just picked the car up from Errol and I'm over the moon. Literally as soon as I put a tiny little bit of pressure onto the accelerator, I'm away. This didn't even happen when I bought the car. The car weren't this good when I got it. I'm over the moon.
You're happy?
I'm over the moon.
Okay,
I can't explain how
that's
happy I
fine.
am.
Finally, can you tell us, can you see any white smoke, black smoke on the mirror to the...
No black, no white, no smoke.
No smoke.
No
okay,
smoke
thank you
at all.
very much.
I'm over the moon.
Thank you very much. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.